We know exercise benefits the skin, but did you know we can greatly optimize all the benefits of exercise when we support our nervous system's recovery afterward? Exercise definitely supports skin through circulation, detox, and hormone regulation, and it also does something deeper. It trains the nervous system to return to its sympathetic or rest and repair state more easily. Here's the key idea most people miss. Exercise is a stressor that teaches recovery. Exercise introduces a healthy stress, and recovery teaches the nervous system how to settle afterward, making the body more resilient to stress overall. During exercise, the body temporarily activates the sympathetic nervous system, the flight side of the fight or flight, if you will, and that's healthy and expected. But the benefits we associate with exercise, including those we see in the skin, are optimized when the nervous system is supported back to the parasympathetic state after exercise. And when we do this, the body learns how to recover more efficiently, and the skin learns right along with it. That's why this equation matters. Exercise plus recovery equals more fully integrated whole body benefits. Exercise without recovery simply limits how much benefit you receive for the work you're putting in. Over time, consistent movement paired with proper recovery greatly supports circulation, lymphatic flow, inflammation regulation, and nervous system flexibility, the ability to move from stress back into calm, which of course we see reflected in the skin, which shows up as brighter, smoother tone and texture, overall stronger barrier function, fewer breakouts, less inflammation and redness. So exercise creates the stimulus, but recovery creates the most optimized results. In the next video, we'll talk about what this kind of recovery after workouts looks like and how to close the exercise stress loop so the benefits of your movement can land more fully in your body, mind, spirit, and of course your skin. Thanks for tuning into The Whole Glow. See you soon.